Today, we're gonna make Security Breach Freddy. What's going on here? His eyes are gone. I know I drew them. Back to the computer. Okay. Hello, and welcome to another Kooky Craftables paper toy tutorial. After downloading the project, print it on cardstock paper for best results. Just take your scissors and hack these pages into easy to handle chunks, because it'll make things a lot more fun. Yeah, but I don't know if this has been like a cursed project or something, because it's just been really hard for me to get this one finally out and live to you guys. It's just, things have been going wrong. I've been losing files, and it's like things are mysteriously happening around this project that I just can't explain. But that's okay, because we are going to have a great time making this paper toy together. Kooky Craftables are scientifically proven to be 78% easier to build than other paper toys. So what are you waiting for? As you can see, all of these pieces are really nice and chunky and easy to cut out. Now we need to do our folds, and here's a trick to make that even easier. Grab a ruler and a paper clip and use the rounded edge of that paper clip to push a score right into the paper. Repeat this process on all the dashed and dotted lines that you find. And what's the point of that? Well, look at this. Look how easy it is to make those folds after your paper has a score in it. Time for glue, and I like to use the Elmer's washable school glue. It's purple, and purple is the most jolly color of all. Oh, and the purple is magic too, because as it dries, the purple turns clear. And it's easy to make this headpiece into a nice, boxy shape. And now we're ready for the facial features, like the nose and the ears and the hat. So let's get going. Here's the... Wait a minute. What's going on here? His eyes are gone. I know I drew them. Back to the computer. Okay, there they are. Okay, yeah, this is what Freddy is supposed to look like. Let me copy and paste this face over here to my template, and here we go. Let's make it transparent so I can see what I'm doing. All right, now I don't need all of the nose and everything because that is printed on separate pieces. So let me take those away and just put the eyeballs back on this headpiece where it's supposed to be. See, this is what I'm telling you. It's so weird. I don't understand what's going on with this project at all. All right, got this printed out. Let's go back and rebuild the head again. Easy, easy. Yep, okay, now we've got eyes on Freddy. We can get rid of this box. All right, back to work. Now we're gonna fold the nose spacer piece, and this is just a little box that helps bring the nose off of the head shape a little bit, give it more of a 3D look, makes it look a lot cooler. Okay, so we'll apply this spacer and put a little bit of glue on top of that and stick the nose right into place so Freddy can smell us. Oh, and Freddy needs to hear us too, so we'll apply the ears as well as Freddy's iconic top hat right on top of the head. Okay, this is the head insert piece. I'm going to fold that into a nice boxy shape, and it slides right into the head, and this allows Freddy to move. The body glues into a square pyramid shape, and this will give us places to glue the arms and the legs. The arms just have a simple fold at the wrist, and the legs fold a little more zigzaggy. The dotted lines are mountain folds, and the dashed lines are valley folds. And we need to add a little bit of glue to these two squares here to fold the top of the foot against the bottom of the foot, and there the legs are done. So let's take all of these limbs and apply them one by one. Freddy needs some arms so he can grab stuff. The legs actually glue up into the inside of the pyramid shape, so we'll add a little bit of glue to that, and you can see how they just tuck right in here, and then the body's all done, and we can take the head and stick it right down on top of the body, and your Glamrock Freddy is ready to come to life. Oh, I almost forgot. We can make Freddy talk by writing messages on this cartoon bubble and gluing it to the back of his head. It's a lot of fun. Enjoy! I hope you had a great time.